Step 1. Go to MBS-SignSupply.com. Step 2. Create new account if you don't have one. Click Sign In button and click Don't have an account. Enter your email, company name, and other details. Check the box if you want to subscribe to our newsletter. Then click Sign Up. Step 3. Log in. Enter your email and password and log in. Click B2B Program. Step 4. Upload your resale certificate. Done. Thanks for watching.